Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create that super cute giant shifting animation using Pixverse. It's trending right now, and the best part, you can make it completely for free, no paid plans, no watermark. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Pixverse. You can use it either on the web or to the mobile app like this, and then just simply log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will actually give you free daily credits so you can generate animations every day without spending anything. Next, after you log in, you will see several AI animation templates on the homepage like this. And then next, just tap on templates and then go to search bar and then just search for huge cutie like this one. Just tap on it. That's the one we're going to use to make giant shifting animations effect. It's so cute. This template automatically enlarges your character in a fun, adorable way, like a giant cute version of yourself standing in the city or next to tiny houses like this. It's really fun and super easy to use. Next, just to use it, just tap on use template and then choose your photo. Just choose the photo that you want to use. Like this. And once you're done, just tap on create. It will need 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, Pixverse will transforming your photo into a cute animated versions of yourself like this, looking like a gentle giant moving slowly in the scenes. It's so adorable, right? And okay, once it's done, and if you are happy with the result, just tap on download to save your results, or you can also share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. You have just made your own cute giant shifting animation using Pixverse. It's fast, totally beginner friendly, and perfect for viral shorts video. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.